Ever wondered if you're losing too much to fees or risking a transaction error every time you move your crypto off Gemini? I've spent a lot of time navigating this exchange, and I've found that while Gemini is one of the most secure platforms out there, their withdrawal process can be a bit of a maze if you don't know the shortcuts. When you're ready to move your assets, you have two main paths. Most people just use the standard web interface or the mobile app. You hit Transfer, select Withdraw from Gemini, and pick your coin. But here is the first tip from my experience. Always check your withdrawal protection settings in your security tab first. Gemini has a feature that can impose a 7-day waiting period on newly added addresses. If you're in a rush to move funds to a cold wallet or another exchange, that week-long hold will catch you off guard. I personally keep my approved addresses list updated in advance so I can skip that delay when I actually need to move my funds. Now, let's talk about the cost. Gemini uses dynamic withdrawal fees, which means you're essentially paying the current network or gas fee. To get the best deal, I've found it's best to time your transfers. If you're moving Ethereum or ERC20 tokens, try to do it late at night or on weekends when network congestion is lower. It can save you a significant chunk of change compared to midday peak hours. Once you've selected your currency and entered the amount, you'll need your destination address. I cannot stress this enough, never type it out. Use the QR code scanner on the mobile app or copy-paste it on your desktop, then double verify the first and last 4 digits. Also, remember that Gemini requires 2FA, usually through the Authy app, to finalize the request. You only have a 4-minute window to approve that notification before the request expires. If you've recently deposited funds via ACH, keep in mind that Gemini will let you trade immediately, but they won't let you withdraw those specific funds for about 4 to 5 business days until the bank transfer fully clears. I've seen a lot of people get frustrated thinking their account is locked, but it's just a standard clearing hold. The best way to transfer is to plan ahead, whitelist your hardware wallet addresses now, wait for low network traffic, and ensure your 2FA is ready to go. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.